Hey, let me show you the fingerprint sensor speed test on the POCO X6 Pro. So I'm gonna make some tries and we are going to see how fast this sensor works. As you can see right now, when I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, it is unlocking actually this without any issues. So I put the finger and the screen is unlocked and there's like no any delay. There's also some cool animation that comes from my finger. There we go. So as you can see, this sensor is actually reliable and it works really fast. So let's make a few tries and I think it will be all. There we go. And the last try. There we go. So that's this fingerprint sensor test for the POCO X6 Pro. If you are looking for the other videos for this video, for this smartphone, just open the description of this video and click on the playlist below. So yeah.